Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to completely delete and remove games from your Nintendo Switch. So the easiest way to go about doing this is to navigate to your settings, which is down here at the bottom, the cogwheel that says System Settings. And then once under System Settings, go all the way down to where you see Data Management. And then under Data Management, go to Manage Software. So go to Manage Software, and then it will give you a list of all of the games that you have downloaded and installed on your device currently. And then what you want to do is select the game that you want to go ahead and delete, and then you just go ahead and tab down to where you see Delete Software. Now, this will delete everything. It will remove the game's data as well as the icon off of the home screen, but the save data should be saved depending on the game to your Nintendo account. Now, you can prevent auto-archiving, or you can archive software to remove the icon from the home menu, but bits and pieces of the game will remain on your device, getting up and taking up space on your memory card. So the best and easiest way is just to go to Delete Software, go to Delete once you've done that, and then it will begin the deletion process, and then it'll say successfully deleted software. Go ahead and select OK, and then it'll take you back to the list of games that you have here on your Nintendo Switch. Now, there are other ways to clear off data and make room on your Nintendo Switch. Just really quickly, you can go to Data Management once again, and then go to Quick Archive. The second option here, it says Quick Archive. And then if we select that, it'll say checking for free space, and then it says save data for archived software will remain. You will need to re-download the software to use it again. Now, basically this will keep the save data for that specific game. So let's just say for this game here, save data will be kept on the device. I'll select that, put a check there, and I can even do multiple games. So I can go here, select multiple games, and then go over to the right there to where it says archive data, select that there, and then it says, are you sure you want to archive the following software to free up space? Go ahead and go to archive, and you are good to go. Now, this isn't completely removing them. Again, there will be bits and pieces, save data in particular, that will remain on the Switch. So the easiest way, if you just want to delete a game completely, is to go down to Manage Software and then all the way down and select that, and then go to Delete Software. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching my videos. If it helped you out, don't forget to help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.